Welcome to Reptiland Bucharest, the largest permanent reptile exhibition in Romania, and one of the most captivating urban wildlife experiences in the heart of the city. Here, you will embark on a journey into the mysterious and often misunderstood world of reptiles, creatures that have roamed our planet for over 300 million years, long before the dinosaurs walked the Earth. As you step through the entrance, you immediately feel the change in atmosphere. The air is warm and slightly humid, mimicking the subtropical and tropical environments these animals call home. Soft ambient sounds surround you, the gentle rustle of leaves, distant bird calls, the trickling of water, all carefully curated to immerse you in a lush, jungle-like setting right here in Bucharest, covering an impressive area of nearly 1,000 square meters. Reptiland hosts over 40 species of reptiles from across the globe. Each exhibit is designed as a small, self-contained ecosystem, complete with exotic plants, naturalistic substrates, and automated systems controlling temperature, humidity, and ultraviolet light. This ensures the animals live in conditions as close as possible to their natural habitats, promoting health and natural behavior. One of the first and most striking residents you encounter is the reticulated python, the world's longest snake species. This magnificent serpent lies coiled in its enclosure, its smooth scales patterned with complex geometric designs in shades of gold and brown that shimmer under the soft lighting. The reticulated python is a master of camouflage and strength, capable of reaching lengths exceeding 6 meters in the wild. The specimen here is the largest of its kind on public display in Romania, a true giant and a symbol of the power and beauty of reptiles. Nearby, two rare albino reticulated pythons attract attention with their ghostly white and pale yellow coloring and deep red eyes. Albino animals lack the pigment melanin, making them especially vulnerable in the wild but highly prized in captivity. Observing these snakes reveals fascinating insights into genetic variation and adaptation. Moving further along, you'll find yourself face-to-face with the iguanas, both green and red varieties, basking lazily beneath UVB lights that replicate the sun's rays, vital for their health. These large herbivorous lizards, native to Central and South America, possess long tails, powerful limbs, and expressive eyes that follow your movements with quiet curiosity. Iguanas use their dewlap, a flap of skin under the chin, for communication and thermoregulation, a remarkable adaptation for life in the tropics. Continuing your journey, small but no less fascinating geckos reveal their remarkable abilities. Their tiny toe pads, covered with millions of microscopic hairs called setae, allow them to defy gravity, clinging to glass and walls effortlessly. Some gecko species have evolved incredible camouflage, blending perfectly with tree bark or leaves, while others display vibrant colors and patterns. Watching a gecko hunt insects or navigate its environment offers a glimpse into the delicate balance of predator and prey in miniature. Water dragons add a dynamic flair to the exhibition, their crested backs and sleek bodies reminiscent of mythical creatures. Native to Southeast Asia, these semi-aquatic lizards spend much time in trees but are excellent swimmers, using their powerful tails to navigate rivers and streams. Their alert eyes and subtle movements make them captivating subjects for observation. Argentine black and white tegus stand out as some of the most intelligent reptiles on display. These large lizards are known for their problem-solving abilities and curious nature. Visitors often marvel as tegus explore their enclosures, interact with enrichment items, and even recognize their keepers, behaviors once thought exclusive to mammals. No reptile exhibition would be complete without crocodilians, and Reptiland proudly features caimans, relatives of crocodiles distinguished by their rounded snouts. These ancient reptiles, often called living fossils, trace their lineage back to the age of dinosaurs. Their armored skin and patient, watchful gaze evoke a sense of prehistoric power and resilience. Turtles and tortoises provide another window into reptile diversity. Known for their hard, protective shells and remarkable longevity, some species live for over a century, making them some of the oldest living terrestrial vertebrates. The large aquatic terrarium in Reptiland is home to turtles that swim gracefully, alongside colorful tropical fish and tiny yellow frogs, creating a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life and interaction. As you venture deeper into Reptiland, you begin to appreciate the remarkable diversity and adaptability of reptiles. Each enclosure tells a story not just about the animal itself, but also about the ecosystems they inhabit and the delicate balance of life. Take, for example, the reticulated python's natural habitat, the dense rainforests and grasslands of Southeast Asia. These snakes are ambush predators, using their incredible camouflage and stealth to silently stalk prey. Their muscular bodies allow them to constrict animals much larger than themselves, including deer and pigs. Despite their fearsome reputation, reticulated pythons play a crucial role in controlling populations of small to medium-sized mammals, maintaining ecological balance. The albino variants, while visually striking, remind us of nature's fragility. Their lack of pigmentation makes them vulnerable in the wild, but here at Reptiland, they thrive under expert care. These snakes also provide valuable insight for scientific research, including genetics and reptile husbandry. Moving to the iguanas, their habitat ranges from dry forests to rainforests throughout Central and South America. Iguanas are primarily herbivorous, feeding on leaves, flowers, and fruits. Their strong limbs and long claws help them climb trees to escape predators and bask in sunlight. In the wild, iguanas face threats from habitat loss and hunting, but educational centers like Reptiland raise awareness and help promote conservation. Geckos, with their remarkable climbing abilities, are often found in warm climates around the world, from deserts to tropical forests. Their unique feet allow them to cling to virtually any surface, a biological marvel that has inspired scientists studying adhesion. Some species of gecko are nocturnal, hunting insects under the cover of darkness, while others are active during the day. Their vocalizations, which can include chirps and clicks, are rare among lizards and add another layer to their fascinating behavior. Water dragons inhabit the riparian forests of Southeast Asia, where rivers and streams provide both food and shelter. They are excellent swimmers and use their strong tails for propulsion. These lizards are territorial and use a combination of visual signals and body postures to communicate. Their presence at Reptiland offers visitors a glimpse into semi-aquatic reptile life, a niche often overlooked. The Argentine black and white tegu is a true example of reptilian intelligence. Native to South America's grasslands and forests, tegus are opportunistic feeders, consuming fruits, insects, small animals, and even carrion. Their cognitive skills include problem-solving and social behaviors that suggest a higher level of awareness. In captivity, tegus benefit from environmental enrichment, such as puzzles and varied diets, which stimulate natural behaviors and improve welfare. Caimans, part of the crocodilian family, occupy freshwater habitats across Central and South America. These reptiles are apex predators in their ecosystems, regulating populations of fish, birds, and mammals. Their tough armored skin provides protection from other predators and rivals. Caimans have survived millions of years with little change, a testament to their evolutionary success. Observing them at Reptiland offers a window into a lineage that has witnessed Earth's major geological and biological transformations. Turtles and tortoises, often called living fossils, have changed little over millions of years. Their shells, composed of bone and keratin, serve as protective armor against predators. Species displayed at Reptiland include both aquatic turtles that spend most of their time in water and land tortoises adapted to dry environments. These reptiles are vital to their ecosystems, dispersing seeds and helping maintain healthy habitats. Beyond their biological and ecological importance, reptiles have inspired human culture, art, and mythology throughout history. Snakes symbolize rebirth and transformation in many ancient traditions due to their ability to shed skin. Lizards have been linked to agility, healing, and protection. In some cultures, turtles represent wisdom and longevity, embodying the earth itself. Reptiland aims to bridge the gap between myth and science, replacing fear and misunderstanding with knowledge and respect. Visitors leave with a new appreciation for reptiles, recognizing them as essential parts of the natural world, worthy of admiration and protection. Reptiland is not just a place to observe reptiles from behind glass. It is a vibrant educational center that encourages visitors, especially children, to engage actively with nature. One of the most unique features here is the variety of interactive workshops and hands-on experiences designed to inspire curiosity and respect for the natural world. In these workshops, children become nature detectives. Guided by experts, they learn how to safely handle certain reptiles, gentle lizards or calm snakes, discovering firsthand their textures, movements, and behaviors. These encounters break down barriers and fears, helping young visitors realize that reptiles are fascinating, living beings deserving of care and understanding. Building terrariums is another popular activity. Kids learn how to create a suitable habitat for reptiles by choosing the right plants, substrate, and hiding places. This hands-on process teaches responsibility and highlights the complexity of maintaining a healthy environment for these animals. It also sparks creativity and scientific thinking as children observe how the components of an ecosystem interact. Educational talks complement these workshops, providing fascinating facts about reptile biology, their roles in ecosystems, and conservation challenges. Visitors learn about the threats many reptile species face worldwide, such as habitat destruction, pollution, illegal trade, and climate change. These discussions emphasize the urgent need to protect these ancient creatures and their habitats. Reptiland's staff are passionate conservationists. They work closely with international organizations to support breeding programs for endangered reptiles, share knowledge with other zoos and museums, and promote sustainable practices. By educating the public, Reptiland plays a crucial role in fostering a culture of environmental stewardship in Romania and beyond. Families visiting Reptiland often remark on the welcoming atmosphere and the sense of wonder the exhibition evokes. It's a place where knowledge meets emotion, where seeing a massive python, a curious tegu, or a tiny gecko can ignite a lifelong passion for wildlife. This connection to nature is more important than ever in our increasingly urbanized world. By bringing reptiles into the heart of Bucharest, Reptiland helps bridge the gap between humans and wildlife, reminding us that we share this planet with countless other species, each with a unique story and role. Before leaving, visitors are encouraged to explore the gift shop, which offers a range of educational materials, toys, and souvenirs inspired by the reptile world. These items support Reptiland's mission by funding conservation projects and further educational initiatives. In summary, Reptiland Bucharest is much more than an exhibition. It is a living classroom, a sanctuary for reptiles, and a hub for conservation and education. Its combination of immersive environments, engaging programs, and passionate caretakers makes it a truly special destination for anyone interested in the wonders of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Reptiland. We hope this experience has deepened your appreciation for reptiles and inspired you to play a part in protecting our natural world. As your visit to Reptiland Bucharest comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey you have experienced. From the silent power of the reticulated python to the curious gaze of the black and white tegu, each reptile here tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the beauty of life's diversity. Reptiles have existed on our planet for hundreds of millions of years, enduring mass extinctions and dramatic environmental changes. They are living testaments to resilience and evolution. Yet today, many face unprecedented threats from human activities. Deforestation, climate change, pollution, and illegal wildlife trade are pushing countless species toward extinction. That is why places like Reptiland matter so much. They are more than exhibitions. They are guardians of hope. Through education, conservation, and community engagement, Reptiland nurtures respect and understanding. It reminds us that every creature, no matter how small or misunderstood, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. We all share the responsibility to protect our planet's rich biodiversity. By learning about these magnificent reptiles, supporting conservation efforts, and spreading awareness, each of us can contribute to a future where nature thrives alongside humanity. Thank you for joining us in this celebration of life, curiosity, and discovery. We invite you to carry this newfound appreciation with you and to become ambassadors for the remarkable world of reptiles, today, tomorrow, and for generations to come. Reptiland Bucharest wishes you a safe journey and hopes to welcome you back soon to explore, learn, and marvel once again at the wonders of the natural world.